Hello everyone. Today we're going to be making teacher coasters. I already mixed up equal parts of my resin and we're just going to pour a clear layer in 3 of the circles. You can do either or on this part, but the reason I did clear is because this is going to be my front side. Now I'm going to take some mini colored pencils and lay them into the resin, just laying them wherever I like. Then I'm taking some mini pencils and laying them in the resin as well. Now I'm just going to put in small things like paper clips and erasers. I forgot to add my thumbtacks, but that's okay. Try to lay them with different colors, like to avoid having too much of one color in one coaster, but it doesn't always work out that way. Now I'm just pushing them down and rearranging them how I like. You can skip this part though if you already have them exactly how you want. After 24 hours of curing, I'm going back in with more resin. I decided I wanted one of them to be clear. The other was going to have a more of a solid background. And the other was going to be glittery. Now I'm just spraying with some rubbing alcohol and let that sit for another 24 hours. After it's been 24 hours, I just demold them. Just can't tell it all. And here they are in natural light. I think they came out pretty good. These make perfect gifts for your kid's favorite teacher or if you have a friend or family member who's a teacher. All the products used will be linked in the description box. I hope you enjoyed this video and thanks for watching.